So today we're coloring our hair so we can get ready to do a style. We're coloring to 1B, so that's a little bit of the details. We should end with a pitch black color. Already poured the 1 into the 2. Shake it up, shake them up, shake them up. Actually, say hold the top. Not on instructions. Gloves, of course. I've already oiled my scalp. If you can see, it's already oily. This is to protect my skin from color and chemical. Lid off. Let's get to it. Start with the roots, baby. You can already see the color starting to change. She's fine. She's sexy. She's cute. She's a Georgia piece, so she like that get loose. Ooh, smoke. Sit, goose. I might get some, but I want that bubble gum. Damn. Tonight's going digital. All lemonade, watermelon, and original. Damn. I'm back. I got a towel. It's not a new towel. It's an old towel. I literally call it my hair towel. See, it's bleach on it. It doesn't matter if it gets stained, honey, because we're doing hair. That's what it's for. All right. Okay. Let's see what I'm doing real quick. I promise y'all it's not usually this chaotic. Do you believe me? Okay, cool. I want lemonade, watermelon, and original. Damn. It's big for you, big for me. And I might give you some, but I want that bubble gum. And we're back. So we've had this on for at least, a good 45 minutes to an hour. You can see from the front and the back, it's very black, so black and so that it is matching my dress. It literally is contrasting with the colors of the garment I have on, which is great. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and just wait till it's 8. So I got like a few more minutes. I'm gonna throw on my jams. Tonight I'm gonna turn your body out. And we're gonna rock it out. And then when I come back, this will be rinsed. Rinse with what? Step 3. So we're gonna do a nice warm rinse. Let whatever the excess is run out. And then we'll do a mask. Let it sit for a few minutes. I do also have shampoo. Don't judge me. I'm using Johnson & Johnson Baby Soap hair wash. And that's fine. Actually, the instructions tell me not to use shampoo at all. They say to use only step 3. So you're supposed to rinse it out. Use this. Let it sit on there. And then use the remainder as shampoo. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. I know that black stains. And I know that black can leave a residue. And so even if it's just a rim job, even if it's just a quick scrub of the edges, I might just do a shampoo just to help alleviate any additional residue that's on after I do the rinse. So on that note, enough talking, back to the jams. I'll be back. Hey peeps and peepettes. So we have washed and conditioned. I did not end up using the shampoo at all. I just followed instructions, like the box say, and I just rinsed it with number 3. And I let it sit on there for longer than 2 minutes though. It was more like 4, 5, 10. 4, 5, 10. I got caught up in the jam. And then I washed it out twice. I'm going to throw on some conditioner and style. And that is how we get back to 1B. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.